Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna cook with some leftovers. Here I have some leftover rice and beans, a smoked chicken from yesterday, some bacon, peas, broccoli and bell peppers. But first, heat a little bit of butter in the pan, throw in the bacon, and let it cook. Add some flour, mix it together. And I think we could use a little bit more flour. Now I add a little bit of milk. Pepper, garlic powder, and Everglades fish and chicken. Add the peas. Broccoli and bell peppers. Mix it all together. Add a little bit of water. And let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now I put in the rice and beans that are still frozen. And let it also cook for about 5 minutes. And now we can add the chicken. And I also found these green onions in the freezer. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. And dinner is ready. And I serve it with a homemade roll and some cheese. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.